Ever wondered if you can upgrade your car with modern tech without replacing the entire dashboard? Today we're taking a closer look at the Krunia 9.26 Wireless Portable CarPlay Screen, a device designed to bring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to almost any vehicle. Right out of the box, the setup is surprisingly straightforward. I walked through the entire installation process myself, mounted the screen on the dashboard, connected it to my phone wirelessly, and within minutes the interface was ready. The 9.26-inch display gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can access calls, messages, music, and navigation apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze without touching your phone while driving. During my test, the wireless connection worked smoothly most of the time, although there can be a slight delay when reconnecting depending on your phone and vehicle environment. One feature that really stands out is the built-in 4K dashcam combined with the HD waterproof backup camera. Both cameras record at the same time on a split screen, which is useful for documenting driving situations and making reversing safer. I tested the recording quality during daytime driving and parking scenarios, and the footage looked sharp enough to clearly capture road details. It also comes with a 64GB card and supports up to 256GB, plus loop recording so you don't have to worry about storage running out. Another interesting addition is the parking surveillance mode with time-lapse recording for 2, 4, or 8 hours if you connect a hardwire kit, which could be helpful if you park on the street or in busy areas. After using it for a while, the Krunia 9.26 screen feels like a practical upgrade for older cars that lack smart displays. Though like most portable systems, it depends on your car's setup and power connection. Overall, it's a feature-packed option that tries to balance convenience, safety, and modern smartphone integration in one portable device.